Where are we, John?
We are in the pit.
Hillbilly, Confederate Battery A, about to launch one. Backing up.
This car's going to be excited when it drives by.
Oh my gosh! I see it! I see it! Oh my gosh! Here it comes!
That is awesome. Can you hear it? Yeah. What a beautiful day. I know. The golf ball cannon.
America, baby! Golf ball cannon.
Land of the free.
Woo! Oh my gosh! I think you nicked it, John. I think you nicked it, brother.
Oh, look at that.
You mind if I put y'all on my video?
That's good.
Gee whiz!
We hit it.
I done made a little bit of an impact on that there, what is it, pressure tank?
Pressure tank, yeah.
Woo! What a shot! John just shot this with buck and ball.
What happened to it?
Flint and Wally would take care of that.
Took it out of the box and this is what it looked like. Manufactured in Chicago.
Yeah.
On Friday night.
Friday night. In southeast Chicago.
Yeah. Yes,
I know nothing. What a day. Well, that eagle's gone. I said he ain't gonna have babies for 2 years. Browning model 1919 what?
This is M1919.
Put it on him, Hillbilly! Yeah, baby! Oh my goodness! 30 cal Browning. Yeah, baby! Woo! Lousy mercy, Andy! Oh my goodness! Thanks, man! Holy mackerel, Andy!
75 shot.
Oh, say,
Oh!
can you see? He blew him off the tree.
Oh,
Way to shoot, buddy.
that's got a bit of a wall to it. That punches.
There was some recoil there. Oh, that's... Here we go. Woo! It went up.
And he hit it.
It ricocheted up, didn't it? Did you see it?
I saw it.
Hear him landing back there.
I saw it.
My testicles went up in my abdomen for sure that time, buddy. Holy, that is a cranker, isn't it?
Oh man.
Holy mackerel.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, baby. Dust on the ridge. Lousy mercy.
Okay, the fuse is lit.
The fuse is lit. Fire in the hole. Hope that sucker don't flip over and hit me in the knee.
All right, Keenan, any second.
Oh! Oh! Double ricochet. Did you see that? It skipped up there and hit that other cliff. America, baby.
Man, I'll say.
I'm saying America. Did you see that, Shawnee? All right, signing off. See you on Twitter.